Have you ever wondered if your body has a built-in spring cleaning mode, a way to tidy up, throw out the old junk, and make everything feel fresh and new? Well, it does. It's a fascinating process called autophagy, which literally means cell-feed. Now, that might sound a little scary, but trust me, it's one of the best things your body does for you. Imagine your cells are like tiny, bustling cities. Over time, these cities accumulate waste. Think of it as old, broken-down machinery, misfolded proteins that are like crumpled-up blueprints and damaged parts that are just getting in the way. If this junk piles up, it can cause all sorts of problems, slowing down the city's functions and eventually leading to chaos. This cellular chaos is linked to aging and many chronic diseases. This is where autophagy comes in. It's the city's highly efficient recycling and waste disposal crew. When autophagy is switched on, your cells start identifying these damaged or unnecessary components. They package them up into special double-membraned bags called Autophagy. Think of these as the recycling bins of the cell. Once the junk is neatly bagged, these autophagisms travel through the cell and fuse with another organelle called the lysosome. The lysosome is the ultimate recycling center. It is filled with powerful enzymes that break down the contents of the autophagosome into their basic building blocks: amino acids, fatty acids, and other simple molecules. But here's the brilliant part. Nothing goes to waste. These raw materials are then released back into the cell, ready to be used again. They can be used to build new, healthy proteins and cellular structures, or they can be burned for energy. It's a perfect, sustainable loop. Autophagy doesn't just clear out the trash, it recycles it into valuable resources to repair and regenerate the cell. It's cellular renewal at its finest. So, how do we flip the switch and turn on this incredible cleanup process? Two of the most powerful and well-researched ways are fasting and exercise. Let's start with fasting. When you eat, your body releases insulin, a hormone that tells your cells to take in glucose for energy. High insulin levels essentially tell your cells, hey, there's plenty of fuel available. No need to worry about recycling right now. It signals a state of abundance and growth. But when you fast, even for a relatively short period, your insulin levels drop. As your glucose stores get used up, your body enters a state of mild, controlled stress. This signals to your cells that resources are becoming scarce. It's like the city manager announcing, "All right, team, let's tighten our belts and get efficient." This drop in insulin and the shift in cellular energy status is a major trigger for autophagy. Your cells realize it as time to clean house and recycle old parts to generate energy and maintain function until the next meal arrives. This is why intermittent fasting has become so popular. By creating regular periods where you're not eating, you're giving your body consistent opportunities to ramp up autophagy. Whether it's a 16-to-8 schedule where you fast for 16 hours or a full 24-hour fast, you're creating the necessary conditions for this cellular cleanup to occur. Now, let's talk about the second powerful trigger, exercise. When you work out, you're also putting your body under a positive form of stress. Your muscles are working hard, using up energy and creating microscopic damage to their fibers. This is a good thing. It's how they get stronger. Exercise particularly high-intensity and endurance training, activates a key energy sensor in our cells called AMPK. When AMPK is activated, it signals that the cell is low on energy. This, in turn, does two things. It puts the brakes on energy-consuming growth processes and fires up energy-producing processes, including autophagy. Your muscles, in an effort to become more efficient and repair the minor damage caused by the workout, initiate autophagy to clear out damaged proteins and worn-out mitochondria, which are the cell's power plants. By recycling these old parts, your muscles can rebuild stronger and more efficiently. So that post-workout feeling of accomplishment, part of that is your body kicking its internal cleanup crew into high gear. The benefits of boosting autophagy are truly profound. By clearing out cellular debris, it helps protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, which are characterized by the buildup of toxic proteins in the brain. It also plays a crucial role in managing inflammation, improving metabolic health, and supporting a robust immune system. By regularly getting rid of damaged cells, autophagy may even help reduce the risk of certain cancers, as it prevents faulty cells from replicating. Perhaps most excitingly, autophagy is now considered a key player in the science of longevity. By keeping our cells clean, efficient, and resilient, it helps to slow down the aging process at a fundamental level. Think of it as preventative maintenance for your entire body. So, how can you incorporate this into your life? It doesn't have to be extreme. You could start by simply extending the natural overnight fast. If you finish dinner at 7 p.m., try waiting until 9 a.m. the next morning to have breakfast. That's a 14-hour fast. A great starting point. As you get comfortable, you might push it to 16 hours. And for exercise, find something you enjoy. It could be a brisk walk, a bike ride, a dance class, or lifting weights. The key is consistency. By moving your body regularly, you're consistently sending that signal to your cells to clean up and get stronger. The combination of mindful eating patterns and regular physical activity is a powerful one-two punch for activating autophagy. You're not just burning calories or building muscle, you're triggering a deep cellular renewal process that can have lasting benefits for your health and longevity. It is a testament to the incredible intelligence of the human body and its ability to heal and maintain itself. So, the next time you feel a hunger pang during a fast or your muscles are tired after a workout, remember what is happening on the inside. Your body isn't just surviving, it's thriving. It's taking out the trash, recycling the old, and making way for the new. You are actively participating in your own renewal. Thanks for watching today. I hope this gave you a new appreciation for the amazing processes happening inside you right now. If you found this interesting, give this video a like and subscribe for more deep dives into health and science. See you next time.